Welcome back, and speaking of back, Irish Fest is back. Organizers hope more than 100,000 people will go this year.
But the four-day fest on the Summerfest grounds is getting a bit of a rainy start. CBS 58's Michelle Fiore joins us live from Henry Maier Festival Park with day one. Michelle, how's it going?
Natalie Jessup, Caitlin Ward took over as the executive director here just last year, but her family has deep roots here. Her father started it 44 years ago, and her family has seen this through all kinds of weather.
Sometimes it's a more intimate crowd.
A persistent drizzle dampened the Summerfest grounds, but didn't rain out the event. Fans of Milwaukee's Irish Fest lined up outside the gate as it opened at 5 o'clock with umbrellas and hoods up and ponchos on.
This is kind of a big deal that we're here, and we thought, well, it's gonna rain, but it's the only night we could be here.
Peggy McCarthy and her crew wouldn't miss it. They drive up from Chicago nearly every year for this.
We're grateful to have the support of both the local communities and all of the people who travel here.
Caitlin Ward says organizers prepare for all kinds of weather and vendors cater to needs on days like these.
They're selling those amazing woolen sweaters, and we've got umbrellas, we've got ponchos, but right now the weather looks great.
Somebody once in Ireland told me, it's just a little rain. It's not even wet.
We found a couple of Irishmen in the crowd who wholeheartedly agreed.
So far, the crack in the line, as we would say, it's been fantastic. And yeah, looking forward to getting into the music.
The rain didn't scare you off today?
No, it adds to the ambiance.
How is that?
You know, because Irish weather is always a little bit of rain with a beautiful rainbow.
Last year's attendance was up 93,000 compared with about 80,000 in 2022. Philip Gaffney's a vendor in town for just 4 days. He crafts nativity sets, chess sets, and castles. Were you worried that maybe Americans wouldn't come out on a rainy day?
Well, if they're coming to an Irish festival, they come because it's raining. Like, if they want to meet real Irish people, you come out when it's raining.
One note, the first day of the Wisconsin State Fair this year started off on a rainy day, too, and ultimately they pulled off record attendance for 2024. So Irish Fest organizers, of course, hoping for the same. Reporting live, I'm Michelle Fiore, CBS 58 News.
We all need a little of that Irish personality and outlook in us, right?
And a little luck of the Irish to get those numbers and people coming down. Michelle, thank you.